Okay, hold on. I'm getting too excited. Wait a minute.
Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, got a fucking mask on.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Shelly. If you've already been here, welcome back. So in today's video, I actually just decided to sit down and film like spur of the moment. I went to Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. So my best friend called me and she was like, Dollar Tree came out with products and they're all like $5 and under. I couldn't believe it, but I was like, of course I want to check it out. I'm always here for saving my coins. Okay, now unfortunately they didn't really have everything in stock, so I picked up what I could and I wanted to do a video and just show you guys. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so they do have primers. I was able to get my hands on a primer. This one is, I don't know if I said the name of it, but it's Believe Beauty. I want to say that they are exclusively sold at Dollar General. Let's see, I didn't do much research, obviously. Yes, Believe Beauty makeup is exclusively sold at Dollar General. So, okay, I am using the Believe Beauty Radiantly Primed Face Primer. Okay. So it does leave like a nice luminous glow. I did do my skincare before this and I was using like serums and everything, but you could still tell it's like, it's a little bit of a sticky consistency. Nothing out of the ordinary for primers. So they do have a setting powder. It comes in like a little compact like this. So 0.014 ounces, that is kind of small. So this one is in medium deep. Okay, so it's like that. I think that'll be good. Hopefully it blurs, okay, because these pores are large. So I'm just using a damp beauty blender like I normally do. It is a bit red. I have a very like olive undertone, but these powders typically show up sort of red on me anyway, so I'm not too worried about that. Okay, so for foundation shades, I was not sure about my shade, so I picked up two different ones. Let's see, it says Skin Finish Foundation, medium to full coverage. I got the shades Sand and Hazelnut. I'm just probably going to mix the two because I don't know which shade I am. And typically with foundations, I always have to mix my foundations anyway, so I'm not even worried about that. Okay, so this one is Sand and this one is Hazelnut. So huge difference. However, I feel like a blend of the two would make my correct foundation shade. Let's see, match it to my chest. So that one's definitely darker. The Sand I'm gonna use more of and probably just like a hint of the Hazelnut. You get 0.85 fluid ounces. Let me look at my Fenty. Oh, Fenty, you get 1.08 fluid ounces. So not bad. The part that I'm most excited about is the concealer. So this is Sand and this is Beige. So Sand is a little bit lighter than my skin complexion, and then Beige will be my highlight complexion or my highlight shade. Your girl is shocked, okay? I am pleasantly surprised. Now I'm gonna go in with Beige on top. It's a perfect highlight shade. It's nice and yellow. So we're gonna blend that out. Let's see how I like it. You guys. You guys. Okay. I need to go back and get some more of these. See? Okay, hold on. I'm getting too excited. Wait a minute. Okay, let me finish blending. Let's finish. So I'm just gonna take a little more beige because I like a little more coverage, and I noticed that this is like a medium coverage concealer. So I'm just gonna take a little more of beige and like put that in here. All right, so let's blend that out. So now that that's blended out, I am going to set using the translucent powder. So with a damp beauty blender, I'm just gonna set under my eyes. And yeah, this one is in the shade translucent. And I'm just gonna go ahead and set the other parts that I concealed. Okay, so I am going to do my brows off camera because I wasn't able to get any brow products from Dollar General. So I'm gonna do them off camera and then I will be right back. So now my brows are done, and I went ahead and dusted off the powder because I'm not trying to bake. So I went ahead and got rid of the powder. The next step would be to set my face. So I'm just gonna use the medium deep or the translucent. This is the, okay, so it's the matte blur loose powder. So I'm going to use this to dust over my face. I am going to use a very light layer because like I said before, it is a bit red. So I just want to avoid that redness on my skin. So I'm just gonna use So I was able to get an eyeshadow primer. They didn't really have many options for eyeshadows, so yeah. But I did get the primer, so I wanted to try it out just to see how well it worked. And the primer, let's see. So it's a Lock It In eyeshadow primer. It doesn't really say much else about it on there, so let's see. I don't know, that might be might keep that out for future usage because I like that. So now that that's blended out, I am going to take the eyeshadow. This one, it's a Gel Pots, or no, sorry, Glimmer Pots Gel to Powder Eyeshadow. And it's like this, glowy. I'm gonna use my finger, just rub it in, and then put that on my lid. Ooh. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I only have this one color, so there isn't really much that I could do, but I really, really like this. It's a nice copper, like a nice copper bronzy brown, whatever situation going on here, and I like it. It's super simple, nice for the spring, and anyone could do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on a little bit of liner and my lashes, and then I will be right back to finish off the rest of the look. Okay, So I'm back with my lashes on, my liner on, and we can move on. So typically my next step would be either blush or highlight. Given the fact that blush, I didn't see any. I did look, I searched high and low. They didn't have any available. So I'm just gonna use a random blush that I have here in front of me on my table. And it's just a pink, like a light pink blush. I feel like it'll tie in really good with a nice bronzed eye. Bam. Okay, so for highlight, I wasn't too sure which one I wanted to go with because they both were so cute. This one, it's the Perfect Glow Highlighting Stick. This one is in bronzed and this one is in disco. One is lighter, one is darker. So bronzed, I think this is bronzed. Yes, bronzed looks like this. It's very sheer, very light, just like a nice glow. And then disco is darker. I'm actually gonna go with mixing the two. Let's see what I come up with. See, and it's a nice subtle bronze. I like it. Or a nice subtle glow. Oh, that's super pretty. I like it. There weren't any lip liners in stock that I would have used, so I'm just going to use this lip liner, just a brown lip liner. And then I'm gonna take the highlighter in disco, and I'm just gonna put that, actually I'm gonna mix disco and bronzed and put that like in the middle. I'm just going to put on a clear gloss just in the center. So I'm using the Makeup Perfecting Setting Spray to set my makeup, and this also is from Believe Beauty. Okay, Okay, I do not like this. Oh. Ooh. All right, you guys, so that completes the look. I will say I am pleased. I'm pleasantly surprised, and I'm pleased with how this look came out. The skin looks good, okay? Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Let me know what part was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.